Platypus. The platypus is one of nature's strangest mashups. It has the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and webbed feet. But it's a mammal that lays eggs. Native to Australia, this animal baffled scientists when it was first discovered. Even weirder, it hunts using electroreception, detecting the electric signals of its prey underwater. Males also have venomous spurs on their legs. The platypus breaks so many rules, it feels made up, but it's very real, and a reminder that evolution can produce some truly wild creations.